How does a Chinese mom clean out the fridge? Make a mild Chinese-style dry hot pot. In New Zealand, this could easily cost $60 to $70 for 2 people at a restaurant. But at home, just use whatever is left in your fridge. Fish balls, tofu skin, shrimp, vegetables, mushrooms, anything you like. Stir-fry everything with a mild hot pot bake. Serve it with rice and a sweet drink. Simple, cozy, and perfect for a cold day. When winter comes, a warm meal at home can make an ordinary day feel a little happier. Just try it at home.